Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best under cabinet range hoods that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best under cabinet range hoods. Talking about any of your living apartments or homes, kitchens and bathrooms are two of the most important spaces of your place. If these two look good, you can say the whole place looks good. Even when you are looking for a place to rent or to buy, these two places play the most important role. These two are also hard to manage and require extra care to look as good. Number 5. Cosmo 63190 36 inches wall mount range hood. Experience premium brushed stainless steel built to withstand high heat, grease. Thick stainless is used all around to fight against accidental bumps and dents. Main features: adjustable 25.6 in. Extremely durable. Dishwasher safe. Number 4. BV Range Hood 750 CFM under cabinet kitchen. The entire range hood is designed with easy removal and cleaning of parts, without specialized tools required. With bright 2 watts energy saver LED lights. Main features: maximum height 32 inches. Stainless steel design. 2-year warranty. Number 3. Houseland Chef Series 30 inches PS 18 under cabinet range hood. The kitchen is one of the most high traffic areas in your home. It's the place where memories are made, family traditions are created, and moments are shared. Main features: highly customizable settings, powerful suction, modern design. Number 2. Cosmo 5U 30 inches under cabinet range hood. 2 dishwasher safe aluminum mesh filters collect unwanted grease and oil from the air. Push button controls make using hood a breeze. Choose from 3 fan speeds. Main features: slim space saving design. 5-year limited parts. Efficient yet quiet. Number 1. Pro Newtone non-ducted ductless range hood. This versatile insert is the perfect solution to your ventilation needs, serving as both an exhaust fan. It installs as a non-ducted range hood with a charcoal filter. Main features: stainless steel hood. Minimum height 18 inches. Easy to carry. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.